Yan, good morning mga kamamaw. Dito tayo ngayon sa may park para magtanong-tanong dahil alam naman natin next year na yung yung halalan for Prime Minister dito sa Canada. Malalaman natin kung ano yung pulso ng tao, kung Bloc ba, Liberal Party, Conservative, Green, or NDP. Yan, so ayan, tatanungin natin lahat sila kung sino yung napupusuan nila ba, kasi alam mo naman dito sa Canada ngayon medyo merong pabor at hindi pabor sa mga nangyayari dito sa Canada, di ba? Lalo na sa mga pamumuno ng Prime Minister. So ngayon magtatanong tayo ng mga Canadian people kung sino ba yung napupusuan nilang iboboto nila sa susunod na halalan. Yan mga kamamo. So ayan, tara samahan nyo ako mga kamamo, exciting to. So mga kamama, I'm here with Dan. So I'm gonna ask you, Dan, who's gonna be your Prime Minister next election?
I think the Liberals deserve to lose.
All Liberal? Yeah.
I don't think any other party deserves to win.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be Pierre Poilievre.
Oh yeah.
Sadly.
Yeah. So why do you think Pierre is gonna win?
He's got the momentum, and the polls are all saying he's gonna win now. And I think the Liberals aren't gonna win.
Oh.
And he's the obvious person to win. Unfortunately, but yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. Have a good day. Yeah. Ayan, tanong pa tayo ng iba mga mama. Yeah, I'm here with Mac. What's gonna be your next Prime Minister?
Whoever wins the election.
Yeah. What's your bet? Justin Trudeau, Poilievre, Singh,
Yeah.
Ibes, or Elizabeth May?
I think on the West, we both conservative.
Oh, conservative. You're conservative. Yeah.
Yeah, most like, who knows who's going to win.
Yeah.
Either one win, it should look not the confrontation. Don't follow the U.S. policy.
Oh, I see.
To be independent.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yan mga kamamaw. Ano daw ang niya is conservative, so dalawa na. Nakakadalawa na si Poilievre. Yun talaga yung napuputok na talaga pag inano mo sa balita. Yun yung putok na parang nakakalamang sa lahat mga kamamaw. So ito medyo maganda yung panahon. Marami tayong mapapagtanungan sana. Yung iba tumatanggi, nahihiya pero yung iba talagang napapakausapan natin, kaya nakapagbigay tayo ng konting dito. Sige, ikot-ikot muna ako. Yan mga kamamaw, may mga yung iba ayaw sumagot, yung iba hindi daw sila pala interesado pa, o hindi nila masyadong pinapansin yung darating na eleksyon, kung sino man yung gusto nilang, kung sino man yung susunod na Prime Minister. Tsaka yung iba naman, hindi naman daw talaga sila bumoboto. So ayan, hindi ko na lang kinuha yung nila, dahil yung iba ayaw talaga magpa-interview, dahil sabi parang mararamdaman mo parang hindi sila interesado na kung ano man yung darating na na halalan sa susunod na taon. Yan mga kamama, I'm here with Ron. Actually, I have pictures of candidates for next Prime Minister. I have Trudeau, Poilievre, Singh, Ibes, and May. What's gonna be your next Prime Minister?
Well, I'm pretty sure it's going to be Poilievre.
Yeah, why?
Because Justin is so low in right now, so, and I don't know that Poilievre is any answer either. So I don't think we have a good one running, honestly.
But for sure, you're gonna vote Poilievre next.
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that's probably who we'll vote for.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Ron. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate that. Yeah. Yan, mga kamamaw, 3-0 na. Medyo nag-aalanganin pa, naririnig nyo. Pero kasi nga, kumbaga ba, hindi daw pa sila familiar, sabi niya. Hindi pa siya familiar kung si Poilievre. Pero sa, nila, kumbaga ba, may pangalan na silang nakatatak dun sa isip nila kung sino ba yung iboboto nila. Mga mamaw, nandun tayo sa park, nakarating na tayo sa syudad. Sobrang rin yung iba talaga ayaw magpaano, gusto nila private yung nila. What's your name?
Scott.
Scott, I'm here with Scott. Actually, I have 5 choices here. Who's gonna be your next Prime Minister?
I believe Pierre Poilievre is going to win.
And why?
I think Justin has just ran out of his time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He's he's done a relatively good job, but I think people are finished with him and they just want to move on.
Okay, yeah, sure, yeah. Thank you so much, appreciate it. Yan mga kamamaw, nakakaapat na siya, no? Si Polivier talagang, ano, maputok talaga, ano? Thanks man. Maputok talaga siya mga kamamaw dito. Guti-gut pa tayo. Yan, syempre enjoy natin yung vlog mga kamamaw. Kailangan nating makuha yung pulso ng mga mamamayan. Yan. Ikot-ikot pa tayo. Hanap tayo mga kamamaw. Yan mga kamamaw. Ay, ganda ng panahon. Sobrang liwanag naman na itong camera natin. May mga nag-ano dun eh, may parang event dun eh. Nagtanong din tayo mga kamamaw. Ako sa mga kamamaw, kinapalang kamukha ko. Nagtanong din ako sa mga polis nandun sa gilid. Kaso syempre, tama naman din yung reason nila na hindi sila pwedeng sumagot dahil wearing their uniform, they must be neutral. And they're on like a professional mode mga kamamo, na they don't wanna tell them what's gonna be their prime minister because on their uniform, and then they want to be like private muna for now. Yan. So ay nire-respect naman natin, pero syempre mga kamamo, hindi biro yun. Police yung kinausap ko. Lakasan na ng loob yan mga kamamaw. Ikot lang. Sana nakarating si kamamaw ah. Pero nakapakasarap mga kamamaw na enjoy. Enjoy ang ating pamamasyal. Saan tayo abutin ng tadhana? Let's go. Dahil mga nagbibisikleta. Doon sila. Yan mga kamamo, baliktad kung kailan dumadami yung tao. Doon pa yung ayaw sila magpa-interview talaga. Talagang ano pa sila. Yung iba nahihiya eh. Yun ang reason bakit hindi natin nakukuha ng video. Nahihiya kasi yung iba. May mga nagbibisikleta, ang dami, ayun na. May nag-ano dun eh, mga bikers ata yung ano nila, yung dami. Dami nila. Hindi natin ma-istorbe yung mga yan eh. Yan, ano sila eh. Yun ang mga hilig ng mga ano dito eh, mga tao dito. Tsaka inahabol nila yung oras dahil malapit na mga mama. Patapos ng September. So in 2 months, anytime soon, pwede nang ano, mag-i-snow na naman. Kaya yung mga tao sinusulit yung init ng araw mga kamamaw. And sana mayroon pa tayo makakausap. Nahiya sila. Yung iba naman gustong magsalita, kaso nga lang di naman sila kumbaga sabi nila bago lang sila. Yung iba kakalipat lang pala dito sa Saskatchewan. Galing sila sa ibang probinsya. Yan. Yan yung busy dyan. Hindi tayo nakasalubong eh. Na-exercise si kamamaw ngayon ah. Ang layo nung narating ko, nakarating ako dun sa ito part ng ng downtown din, pero tayo dun sa mga building kanina, nakataman layo. Yung mga building na yun, nakarating pa tayo dun kanina. May mga kasalubong pa tayo dyan. So ang gusto talaga ng iba, parang inaano nila is yung oras daw ni Trudeau is parang tapos na. So kaya ang bet nila talaga si Polivier, baka sakali daw may mga pagbabagang mangyayari. Pero syempre mga kamamaw, sa conservative medyo mararamdaman natin yung maghihigpit yan. Maghihigpit sila sigurado. Lalo na dun sa mga sa immigration sigurado maghihigpit. Pero syempre yung mga bagay na yan, kaya naman nila ginagawa yan, is para mapaayos at mapaganda ang pag-usad ng ekonomiya ng Canada. Kaya nila ginagawa din yung mga ganyang bagay. So ito, try natin yung makasalubong ako. Hello, by the way, I'm here with Max. Yeah. What's gonna be your next prime minister?
I believe it will be Trudeau again.
Yeah.
But if I had it my way, I would pick someone else, and I'm not gonna say.
So why? Why
would I pick someone else?
No, why Justin?
Or
Trudeau
why will it be Trudeau?
Yeah.
Okay. He's popular, and he famously legalized weed, and that's kind of huge thing with a lot of pushover people. Yes. So, like, he's got that one good deed that will keep him remembered. That's what I think.
Yeah, okay.
It's my honest, woke up, had a coffee opinion.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Yeah.
Can you tell me your channel?
Yeah, HL Bully. Kamamo
Like,
Vlog.
can you spell it out so I can...
Okay, sure.
Just wait, I have like a 20-digit.
Ayun mga kamamo, lakad-lakad ulit. Siguro dalawa na lang, tanong pa natin dalawa. So parang nakaka-5 na yung tanong natin. 4 4 sa conservative tsaka isa sa liberal. So ayan. Ay nako. Yung iba umiiwas mga kamamo. Pero syempre respeto na rin sa kanila yun dahil talagang dito sa Canada mga kamamo, actually yung mga tao nahihiya sila sa nahihiya silang makita sa YouTube or sa TV. Gusto nila lagi more on private thing talagang nila dito. Kaya medyo medyo nahihirapan din tayo maghanap ng mga sasagot. Pero syempre thank you very much for all the person who cooperate or answering my question. So thank you so much to all of you. Yeah, I'm here mama with Randy. Actually she's with his family now. So who's gonna be your next prime minister and why?
Oh sure. Well, I think we need a little bit of a change, so I'll pick Pierre.
Oh, Pierre, yeah.
Yeah, I would be closest to conservative maybe.
Yeah. So
if I had to choose.
Yeah, actually I've asked like more than 20 person now. Yeah. But like just 6 of you answer, wants to go to see on the video. Like I think the score now, like usually like a survey,
Yeah.
I got 5-1. 1 for Trudeau and 5 for Poilievre. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate
of course.
it. Yeah, thank you.
Watch the channel.
Yeah, Kamamo Vlog.
Yeah.
Kamamo Vlog. Yeah,
Dude,
thank you.
watch it.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Yan mga kamamaw, napakausapan natin. Masaya naman, nakakatuwa naman, di ba? Kahit pa paano, pinakita rin pa yung family nila. Kasi usual talaga, bawal mo din basta-basta bibidyoan pag may kasama mga bata. Pero syempre, naman, nabigyan naman nabigyan naman tayo ng tag dito, ng pagkakataon or binigyan tayo ng na kahit makuha ng mga anak nila, okay lang. Kumbaga pinayagan tayo. So ikot-ikot pa tayo, last one mga kamamaw, para malaman natin kasi ang pulso ng ating masa. Yan mga kamamaw, pahinga na tayo. Napagod din ako kakalakad, pero siyempre nag-enjoy ako na nadagdagan din yung self-confidence ni kamamaw dahil tatanong nga tayo ng mga random people. At the same time, lakas ng loob ko kanina, pati yung officer tinanong ko kanina, kaso nga lang ayaw niya magpa-video. Pero syempre respect to you sir. So narinig niyo na yung pulso ng mga mamamayan. So ang talagang nakikita nilang gusto nilang bet nila talaga is si Poilievre ng conservative. So kung sino man manalo, kung sino man sa kanilang manalo, ang mahalaga magandang patakbo nila na darating na sakaling silang manalo, mahalal na bagong prime minister ng Canada. Ang mahalaga ay maganda yung patakbo nila at mapaayos pa tong Canada, dahil actually sa akin maraming naitulong din tong Canada, kaya malaking bagay sa akin yung nandito ako. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako, tsaka thankful ako dahil sa family ko, nasusuportahan natin sila. At the same time, nabibigyan natin sila ng magandang kinabukasan. So ayan mga kamamaw, tatapusin na natin ang vlog. Sana bago nyo pakisubscribe na rin pala yung YouTube channel natin, Kamamaw Vlog. So ayan, maraming salamat. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates of my video. See you mga kamamaw. Before we end up this video mga kamamaw, may pahabol tayo. Actually, I'm with my neighbor Kelly. So Kelly, this would be one of the best neighbor I've ever had here in Saskatoon.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Actually, Kelly, who's gonna be your next prime minister and why?
Well, the prime minister is actually just the leader of whichever party gets into power.
Yeah.
Poilievre has said too many things that are divisive and have separated Canadians and made a lot of people look at the United States and the way the Republicans treat people. I'm afraid it's probably still going to be Trudeau. I lean more left than the NDP, and I would love if the NDP got into a federal power, but they never have in history yet and stuff, and I don't think this is quite the time yet. But it's probably just going to be another minority government for Trudeau, because there are actually more left people in Canada than there are right. So Poilievre is starting from a point of view of having 25 to 30% of the population being right wing and everything else. So I don't see him getting into power because of he's wishy-washy and flips back and forth. So I think it's just going to be another minority government for Trudeau, and Bloc Québécois and the NDP will keep them going because they get stuff for their constituents at the time, right? That's how coalition-style governments work anywhere in the world. You need to have a bunch of people who work together, and the Conservatives have proven throughout Canadian history that they don't work well with others.
Very well said, my friend. I really appreciate your time for me to put your
opinion out
there on
welcome.
What's gonna be your next prime minister. So thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you. God bless.